Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this error message could not connect to Wi-Fi network. Let me go to home screen, then go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner, go to network and internet, then from this list set the name of the Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So let me select this mobile Wi-Fi, that is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I am using. Then select forget network. Done. After that, select same Wi-Fi network. If you are not able to see that same Wi-Fi network, then you can off and then on the Wi-Fi. Here you can see the name of that Wi-Fi network, mobile Wi-Fi. Select it. Enter the password. Here we need to enter the correct password of Wi-Fi network. Okay, I have entered the password. Let me submit. Now it's connecting. Okay, connected successfully. So this way we can fix that issue. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.